chapter 5, or 15, chapter 15 of Genesis, verses 1 to 5. Abraham had no children who will someday inherit his properties. He was worried, for there will be nobody to take care of his flocks after he died. And he is already in good old age of 75. His wife has been barren since they got married. You know the story. She is past at the childbearing age. So one night, when he think so much about this, one night God appeared to him in vision and told him that Abraham, God said, Abraham, do not worry. Do not fear, because your descendants will be very great. You know, in the family of Abraham, because he has no son, there was a certain servant named Eliezer who served him and his household faithfully, in which this Eliezer, Abraham believed to be his heir. But God told him that this would not be his heir, but rather his wife Sarah will bring him a son of his own to be his offspring. Then God, that night, during their conversation, brought him outside his tent. And the Lord said, look toward heaven and number the stars, if you are able to number them. And then God said, so shall your offspring. My dear graduating class, intelligentsia, you may not be able to see what no one else could see. Or maybe you may not have that faith and believe things no one else believes. Or you may not find initiatives to be the first one to try it. And also, you may not have that courage, the strength within. And maybe there might be times, or there might be time that will come, that it will be very hard for you, that's impossible for you to reach the stone.